Yes, please.
Yes, may I kindly be recognized for a point of clarification.
Yes, please.
Mr. Chair, is my understanding correct that the first briefing was on August 4, right?
Yes.
So
last
it
week.
was a motu proprio briefing based on the call of the chair. Because there was still no resolution at the time, Mr. Chair.
I think it's a briefing.
Yes, it's a briefing. But, Mr. Chair, I just want to clarify if this is the proper jurisdiction, no? Because if we will read our rules, Mr. Chair, public accounts, no? Committee on Public Accounts. First of all, I want to make it clear that we want the truth. And being scrutinized here, we are also included, kasama tayo sa tinitingnan dito. Dahil wala namang magiging kalokohan dito kung hindi napondohan. At yung budget nang galing sa Kongreso. So, Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang siguraduhin na talagang sinusunod natin ng stricto ang ating rules para walang question na meron tayong kino-cover up o ano. No? Ang nakasulat po kasi sa ating rules, ang Committee on Public Accounts, all matters directly and principally relating to the examination and scrutiny of audit reports on the performance of all government agencies to determine their adherence to or compliance with the plans and programs authorized through appropriations approved by the legislature. So kung titingnan po natin, ano po ba ang sinasabi dito sa rule natin? Directly, direkta, tungkol sa audit report. Hindi po ba dapat ang committee na sumasakop dito ay yung good government and mas shoot siya doon sa good government and public accountability dahil ang good government and public accountability ay all matters directly and principally relating to malfeasance, misfeasance, nonfeasance in the office committed by officers and employees of the government, and etc., etc. So I just want to raise this. I mean, it's not up for me to decide. I'm not a member of this committee, no? It's just a friendly reminder na since scrutinized tayo, I think the committee will have to decide whether ito po talaga yung tama or mas magandang sa good government. Yun na po, Mr. Chair. So whatever, I cannot make a motion because I'm not a member of this committee. Gusto ko lang na stricto nating sinusunod. Kasi kahit yung uniform natin, di ba? Yung uniform, simpleng uniform, sinusunod na po natin. Na kailangan tama yung uniforme natin pag tayo. Hindi pa pwede tayong improper attire. So gusto ko lang pong siguraduhin na tama ang jurisdiction nitong committee na to para kung ano man lalabas na report dito, walang question dahil stricto po nating sinunod yung rules natin. So, pero inuulit ko, hindi po ako membro. So it's up to the members of the committee to decide whether this is the proper jurisdiction or the proper jurisdiction is the Committee on Good Government and Public Health. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, thank you, Congressman Chanco. Well, we respect your views, no, but to be very clear, this is just a briefing. This is not yet a hearing. And I think that's the reason why the chairperson of the Public Works Committee is also here, and the chairperson of Public Accounts is here. And this has been directed to us by, I think, by the Rules Committee po. So,
the rules manifested on the floor that this be taken up by the Committee on Public Accounts. So was it manifested on the floor that this be, Mr. Chair, that this be taken up by the Committee on Public Accounts?
I think we made the request to get a briefing from the DPWH.
COMSEC, was there a request to get a briefing, and was it approved?
Yes.
So no referral, no request also. So it is motu proprio. Yes, but how does the briefing start, di ba? So it's who asked for the briefing. Gusto ko lang po kasi siguraduhin na, kasi ito po, kung hindi magkakagulo-gulo tayo, kung hindi tayo susunod sa ating rules, dapat, okay, ganito lang po ang tanong ko. Madami na po tayong abogado dito. Tama po ba ang intindi ko doon sa rules natin na ang public accounts ay tungkol sa mga bagay na may audit report. Tama po ba ang intindi ko? Kung mali yung intindi ko, edi tama, baka tamang ano to. So ayun lang ang tanong ko. Ano ba ang tamang interpretasyon dito sa pwede po bang may magpaliwanag? Ano po ba ang tamang interpretasyon dito sa rules natin? Hindi. Wala po akong problema sa presentation. Gusto ko lang po, kasi I'm a sucker for rules. I admit. Kung ano yung patakaran natin, sundin natin. Kasi pag nagkaroon tayo ng exemption, may isang hindi sumunod. Lahat na may dahilan, lahat hindi sumunod eh. Pag isa hindi sumunod, lahat may dahilan na hindi sumunod. So ang sinasabi ko lang, gusto natin ng tama. Kung hinahanapan natin ng tama, yung mga nagbe-briefing, dapat tayo mismo sumunod doon sa ating rules. So yun lang ang tanong ko. Yan ay isang tanong. Ano bang interpretasyon natin dito sa Committee on Public Accounts?
Mr. Chair, yung pong Committee on Public Accounts principally is a committee assigned to the minority.
Opo.
And the minority would like to be very relevant on current issues.
Okay.
Kung hindi po nagpatawag ng meeting yung Committee on Good Government, kami po, inunahan na namin. Anyway, we will have a way of correcting it. After the reports, maybe we can call the COA. Bakit wala pa kayong mga audit reports dito sa bakit naunahan pa kayo ng ibang agencies, especially ng ating Pangulo? So, we're trying to be relevant. We want to hear from the different agencies. Then later on, we will be calling the Commission on Audit.
Hindi, pero Mr. Chair, pwede po ba tayong lumampas doon sa otoridad na isinasaad doon sa rules natin na dapat may audit report? Ibig ko sabihin, bakit hindi nagpatawag kaya yung good government?
Mr. Chair, anyway, all the reports will be submitted to the plenary, and it's up to the plenary to determine whether we have violated or we have access to the authority of the committee.
Yes, Mr. Chair, pero bakit pa tayo abot dun sa plenary? Bakit di lang po kayo, anyway, sinasabi ko ito suggestion.
As I said, the minority wants to be relevant, especially on this very controversial issue.
Hindi, walang problema sa akin. So gusto ko lang liwanagin kung
And the
talagang...
Committee on Public Accounts is, this is the term of the minority.
Hindi, kaya nga. So ang ibig sabihin nito, hindi na natin susundin itong bakit di na muna natin amyandahan ni rules natin para hindi kailangan magkaroon ng audit report?
The proof of the pudding is in the eating, so we'll just have to wait for the committee report.
Chairman Momo, please.
Mr. Chairman, I think ang ginawa lang naman siguro natin is to exercise our duty to we have the function of oversight.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, I think even Public Works can request Department of Public Works and
Yes,
Highways
Mr. Chair.
to shed light on the issues being thrown to them.
Yes, Mr. Chair. If it were the Committee on Public Works, I wouldn't have raised the question because I recognize that the Committee on Public Works has full jurisdiction. Again, it is just a suggestion. If you want to proceed, I have no authority to question or raise a point of order because I am not a member of this committee. So it's just a suggestion, Mr. Chair. So I just put it on the table. Whatever the decision is I will have no say or vote on it, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Congressman Kiva, please.